it's Debbie, your girl with pearls. Happy Valentine's Day and welcome to my home tour. You know, I love decorating for Valentine's Day. It's something that my mother did for my sisters and I when we were children. Every holiday she decorated and made it special. But Valentine's, as we got a little bit older, I have such beautiful memories. She would always set the breakfast table the night before. And we'd wake up in the morning and we'd be getting ready maybe for on a school day, and it would be so festive, that table and a special breakfast, but there was always a little box by our juice glass. And when we were in middle school, it was a pair of earrings. We both had our ears pierced, or a little necklace, just some cute, thoughtful gift, just showing and expressing her love. And I am so blessed, as I said on my Christmas tour, my mom is 97 years old, going to be 98, still lives on her own, still taking care of herself, still driving her car. Oh, God has been so good. We are so blessed. But I love Valentine's Day because I love love. I'm one of those people that love people to pieces. If you're my family member, if you're a friend, even colleagues, I just really deeply love people. And I hope that you are sharing love and receiving love on this holiday. Now, you may or may not decorate. I use a lot of things that I have and kind of make them into something that's festive. I use a lot of silk roses, red roses and pink roses. I've had them for years. Some of you may know I did interior design and had my own retail store, and I also worked for a florist when I was younger for 2.5 years. So I love floral design. I've accumulated over the years so many silk flowers, and I still use them year after year. And if you've been following me on my Valentine's series, you're seeing a lot of my Valentine's makeovers and craft ideas, and some are simple, like the one I just posted on Thursday. Simple but effective. I've been doing that for years. I have a lot of different size picture frames, and I buy bags or scrapbook paper, and I just change out the frames for the seasons with, you know, maybe a cute saying, maybe a pretty picture, like some that I've done, just a heart, and just sprinkle them around the house, scatter them around the house here and there. And you know, I love when I go over and I make my coffee and I can just see a very encouraging, loving sign, or a little heart, or something that makes me know that I am truly loved, because He loved us first. We can love each other, but I am also filled with love and blessed with love, and I hope you are too. So anyway, let's get into my Valentine home tour.
And this home tour is in collaboration with Daveda Lane. She is hosting. I will have a link in my description box for all the participants that are collaborating, and you can jump over to their channels and check out their home tours as well. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to set this to some music so you can relax and sit back and feel the love.
Valentine's Day. I hope your heart is overflowing with love. God bless.
And stay tuned for my upcoming Valentine's Table collaboration coming in February with Jody from Southern Seasons. If you'd like to see any of my DIYs and videos on crafting for Valentine's Day, check out my series. I will leave it linked at the end. And if you enjoy DIYs, decorating, crafting, and cooking, all things home, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching, and happy Valentine's Day, friends!